Hi friends, once again welcome to our audio sequence of 12th standard textbook section number 2.4 a poem. The name of the poem is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. Just see the information about the poet. The poet Edgar Guest 1881-1959, who was born in England, brought up in United States. His career started at the very early age of 14 in 1895. His writing skill is very simple and optimistic. Especially, he is known as the American newspaper and magazine writer, known as People's Poet. Now just see about the poem. This is an inspirational poem divided into 4 stanzas. Every stanza has 4 lines. Each stanza has 3 provocative questions. Poet asks the reader to do something and improve the life of other human being. Poet asks to readers to be of their better future. Poet tells to consider one's action and deeds carefully to plan a better future. Now, explanation of the poem. Stanza first. The first stanza begins with a question. The speaker asks if today you, reader, made anyone's day better. The reader might have passed and helped or made someone happier. The second question asks if there is anyone you to spoke to him or her remember you today. The third question, is there anyone who utters kind words towards you? The speaker also emphasizes on the act of kindness and the fact that it is now the end of the day. The hours are running out for you to make a positive impact. Then let's go toward the second stanza. In second stanza, the speaker asks if you greet your friend cheerfully anytime during the day. Now the act of kindness is moving inward. The speaker is connected with how you treat to those known to you as well. The next question asks if you were cherished, rude, rather than saying hello to your friend. It focuses on selfish tendencies of the reader. Someone's quick disappearance into the crowd and rushing off to another task mark purely selfish way. The last question asks if you act differently and is someone grateful for a deed you did today. The poet hopes for the opposite response too. Friends, let's go towards the third stanza. In the third stanza, it begins with the question if the reader confesses that he has helped to a single brother in his busy schedule of the day, it is enough to be a kind to one person out of the many that you passed. He asks if there is a single heart who has lost his hopes due to lack of courage, that is now rejoice due to good action or thoughts. Now the fourth stanza. In fourth stanza, poet wants to say that it begins with the thought, any day spent will be trail of kindness, marking one's good path. It is if it was well spent there will be a scar of discontent, marking of injury. Any day spent without improving the life of other at least some extent is wasted. It is lost, or it was surely or badly spent. Sorely or badly spent. If the reader is unsure how his day was spent, he can close his eyes in slumber and think about what God will say. After considering the response of a God, a reader feels if he has done well, then tomorrow is assured. Otherwise, tomorrow might not come. Some example of poetic device. The poet has used alliteration. The day almost over and its toiling time is through. T, toiling and time. Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who come along? Give and greeting. GG. Interrogation. Is anybody happier because of you passes way? Question. Did you leave a trail of kindness or a scar of discontent? Then the third figure of speech, synecdoche. Is a single heart rejoicing over what you did or said? The part is considered for the whole person, heart or the person. Antithesis. Did you give a cheerful greeting to the friend who come along, or cheer sort of howdy and then vanish the throng? Cheerful and vanish the throng. Cheerful greeting, vanish the throng. Then did you waste the day or lose it? Was it well or scarcely spent? Contrasting ideas are used. Personification. Example of personification. Can you say, tonight in parties with the days that sleeping fast. The days that sleeping past. The days that sleeping past. Tautology. Two different phrases. Did you waste the day or the lose it? Was it well or scarcely spent? Waste the day or the lose the day. Same ideas. Antithesis. Did you leave a trail of kindness or the scar of discontent? Then the appreciation of the poem. First of all, the title of the poem, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, is a question to readers. Every question is directed towards the reader. The speaker's questions are rephrased in order to make an impact on reader's mind. Each stanza has two to three questions.
Hi friends,
which highlights one's treatments given to other. The first briefly describes about the act of kindness
section number
are important in today's busy schedule of
the name of the
life.
poem is
The second stanza
Earn Your Tomorrow
inquires
by Edgar Cayce
into friendly greetings
Just see the
and
information
kind
about the
action,
poet.
while the third stanza
poet,
is concerned with
Edgar
helping
Cayce,
others and giving hope.
1881-19.
The speaker's words are
who was
piercing,
born in England,
leaving
brought up
no
in
room
United
for
States.
interpretation. Any
His
reader
career started
who
at the very
consider
early
them
age
even
of
briefly
14 in
will be
1895.
challenged